So, you started a YouTube channel, you're making videos, putting them out there, and nothing. No views, no subscribers, and no engagement. It's frustrating, right? You're pouring your time and energy into this, and it feels like no one cares. I get it. I've been there. And honestly, it's one of the hardest parts of being a creator, starting from absolute zero. But here's the thing. Every successful YouTuber starts at zero. Mr. Beast, zero. Your favorite creator, zero. The difference is some people keep going and some quit. So today I'm breaking down exactly why those first 1,000 subscribers are the hardest, how you can actually start growing, and the biggest mistakes that hold new creators back. Let's get into it. All right, so let's talk about why getting those first 1,000 subscribers are so damn hard. First off, no one knows who you are yet. You're starting from zero audience, zero reputation, and zero momentum. It's not that your videos aren't good. It's just that YouTube has no idea who to show them to. And then there's the algorithm. People think YouTube is just out there hiding their content on purpose. But really, YouTube isn't going to push your videos until it sees people actually watching them. And let's be real, your first few videos, probably not the best. And that's not a dig, it's just the truth. Your filming, editing, and thumbnails will get better over time. But in the beginning, you're figuring it all out. This is why so many people quit. They think, if my channel isn't blowing up in the first few months, it never will. And that's not true. Growth takes time. And once you hit that first 1,000, everything gets easier. YouTube starts recommending you more, you get more engagement, and your momentum builds. So, how do you actually get there? Let's talk about it. Now, I'm not about to tell you to just
stay consistent and believe in yourself.
You need real strategies, things that actually work when you're starting from zero. One of the biggest mistakes new creators make is they post whatever they want without thinking about what other people actually want to watch. Let's say you start a fitness channel and your first video is my fitness journey. That's great, but who's searching for that? Now, if you title that video, How to Lose Weight Over 40, Beginner's Guide, suddenly people are searching for that. It's solving a problem. It's content that has reason to be watched. When you're starting out, you have to be discoverable, meaning making videos people are actively searching for. Here's the truth. You can have the best video in the world, but if your title and your thumbnail sucks, then no one will click on it. Look at your last few thumbnails. Are they clear? Are they eye-catching? Do they make people curious? Because if your title is just My Thoughts on YouTube Growth with a blurry, text-heavy thumbnail, no one's clicking on that. Try something like, I tried posting every day for 30 days. Here's what happened, with a clean, bold thumbnail. You need to grab attention. Most people click on videos and decide within seconds if they are staying or leaving. So if you start with,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something super interesting.
You've already lost them. Instead, start with impact. Try. If you're struggling to grow on YouTube, you're probably making this mistake. Boom. Now they're hooked. Your first 10 seconds set the tone for the entire video. Make them count. Here's the brutal truth. For the first few months, it's gonna feel like you are talking to yourself. And that's where most people quit. They post 5 to 10 videos, don't see results, and assume it's not working. But here's what they don't realize. Those early videos are not for growth, they're for learning. Every video you post is making you better at editing, storytelling, and keeping people watching. YouTube rewards consistency over time. If you quit too early, you'll never hit that tipping point. Now, let's talk about what not to do, because some mistakes will straight up kill your growth. Mistake number 1, obsessing over views and subs way too soon. If you're refreshing your analytics every 5 minutes, getting frustrated over low views, you're focusing on the wrong thing. Your first 10 to 20 videos are all about learning, not blowing up. Mistake number 2, ignoring SEO. If you're not using keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, how is YouTube supposed to know who to recommend your videos to? And mistake number 3, trying to be perfect. So many people get stuck thinking, I'll start once I have the perfect camera, the perfect setup, the perfect idea. No, start now. Improve as you go. Look, I know growing on YouTube is hard. It's frustrating when you feel like you're putting in all this work and getting nothing in return. But the creators who succeed are the ones who keep going, even when it feels like no one is watching. You're not invisible, you're just at the beginning. So take what you learned today, apply it, and keep pushing forward. Your audience is out there. You just haven't reached them yet. And if you're struggling, drop a comment below and we'll talk about it. If this video was helpful or inspiring, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.